every meeting begins with good intent. But somewhere between the first slide and the last sigh, clarity slips. People stop listening, assumptions harden, and someone leaves thinking, that went well, while someone else drafts a resignation email. It doesn't take a new strategy to fix this, it takes 3 seconds. 3 seconds to pause, reframe, and redirect. The most reliable repair tool I've seen in 20 years of cross-cultural work. 1. Pause, break the reflex. In multilingual and multicultural teams, silence feels risky. We rush to fill it, afraid it signals confusion or weakness. But the pause is your first act of leadership. When tension rises, stop talking for a beat. Let the noise drain. That pause interrupts autopilot, the instinct to defend or persuade, and buys space to see what's really happening. In the MC3 method, we call this a real-time audit, noticing not just what's said, but why it's being said. 2. Reframe, translate judgment into curiosity. Once you've paused, step mentally to the side. Ask, what's their logic here? Not what are they missing, but what makes this true for them? That single reframe moves the conversation from who's right to what's real. A Brazilian engineer's will seeth might mean yes, after we adapt. A Dutch colleague's blunt nota might mean yes, but not yet. Reframing is multilingual empathy, reading meaning under tone. 3. Redirect, build forward, not backward. When the air clears, guide everyone toward alignment. So our goal is X, how can we reach it from where we are? Redirection turns analysis into action without reopening blame. It's how you close the audit loop, from emotion to understanding to progress. A quick exercise, the 3-second audit. Try this in your next meeting. Pick one exchange that feels off. Pause before replying, count 3 slow breaths. Reframe silently, what's their goal here? Redirect aloud, let's check we mean the same thing. Then observe what happens. You'll notice voices soften and ideas start to align again. The MC3 method trains global teams to build this awareness into daily communication, to spot misfires before they become culture clashes. Because saving a meeting doesn't take a miracle. Just 3 seconds, used well.